I'm Dr. Unfortunately. We're trying to see who's the coldest water fountain.
Not who. The one
What is the coldest water fountain?
Oh no, don't turn on my camera. Okay, pause. Okay, drink it. Hurry, drink it.
Okay. This is water fountain library. What the fuck?
That one automatically loses. Is it cold?
1 out of 10, I'll say a 6. This is library bathroom water fountain.
We did library bathroom water fountain.
This one is like a 6 too.
So.
No, there's a lot in this building. Oh, but you see.
There's a lot. This is the only e-building.
Another one. The coldest is pretty cold though, so I say 8.
Wait, go.
Oh, this is water fountain. This is a 8.5.
Oh, let me taste it. Hold this. Oh.
This
My
is
shadow.
General utility. This is the general utility water fountain.
How do you know it's general?
General utility.
Ah.
Just for that one room.
Okay, just hurry up. This is B building.
That's what
Okay, hold on.
This is the B building bathroom water fountain.
Elephant. How is it?
That is like, fuck, I don't know. I said 6.
Well, because you kept drinking it.
Because I couldn't figure out what it was. It's bad in your water fountain. I say 9.
Wait. This is my favorite. No, I got water. Okay, here, let me taste it.
This is the utility bathroom one. Yeah, fine.
What's the winner?
Huh?
Who's the winner?
The B building one.
Oh, yeah, the 9. Oh! Okay, that's